Phozani Ndlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly, I feel like it is our duty to explain this to the masses or to the followers of the MK party, even though we are not spokespersons or spokespeople of the MK party, if there's anything like that. Because I get comments and I get inboxes of people telling me ukuthi they are disappointed that Mary Party has been ousted and they don't trust Advocate Mkhwebane. She is uMafikizolo and all of that. She did not vote for the party. How can we trust her? You know, and that pains me a lot, you know, because first and foremost, let me just say, I'm also not happy ngokulokhuza kwaka advocate kwaka Mary Party because she is quite feisty in a way, and I'm sure ukuthi she is also decisive mayenza into, judging by how she acts in public, and she's got some influence and she's got quite a following. So, you know, it's fully two-thirds majority. So we wouldn't like to lose such people, you know. However, the way she's been acting in public, you know, and her fight towards Advocate Mkhwebane, I feel is a fight against MK Party, you know. That pushback, you know, in public actually brought our party into disrepute, you know. And for me, that is wrong, you know. And I think even constitutionally, MK Party, it's incorrect, you know. So for people to say ukuthi they support uMary Party ngaleyo nto leyo over uMkhwebane, I mean, it baffles me because ku-MK Party akuna permanent position, guys. Yes, you can work hard, but akusho ukuthi mangabe ukhishwa then ukusebenza kwakho sekumele ukuyeke, because you don't only lead in a position, you can even lead even if ungekho ku-position. So once we learn that, we'll understand ukuthi there's no need to fight umuntu uma ngabe kuwukuthi uyakhethwa, uya-appointwa. So this thing yoMafikizolo, I think when it surfaced, people were frustrated ukuthi people were appointed befika la ku-MK Party, and then labo bantu aba-appointiwe bangenza kona eqenjini, yabo, bangenza izinto eziright, and kwagcina kufika leyo nto ukuthi oBaMafikizolo they did not vote for the party, and mabefika bayenza izinto ezi-wrong futhi, we understand. So we cannot go around calling abantu aboMafikizolo because we are defeating i-mission ne-vision kababa uNcamalala, which is a two-thirds majority. So who's gonna come to the MK Party if you're gonna call them aboMafikizolo? That is incorrect, that is wrong, you know what I'm saying. So secondly, Advocate Mkhwebane was not fighting uMary Party, but Mary Party was fighting Advocate Mkhwebane. And Advocate Mkhwebane was appointed officially, you know. So we need to clarify that. And in that court, it was not Mary Party against Advocate Mkhwebane. It was Mary Party against MK Party. So Advocate Dalimpofu SC okuyisina councillor yethu la ibizo representa iqembu, ibingazange uzorepresenta an individual. So if ukuthi wena you've got grievances, it means we have grievances against the party, not against Advocate Mkhwebane, because it's the party that took that decision, you know. So I think we people ngenwe kakhulu lento yokulandelana nabantu, so much so that we are losing focus now, you know. So we need to come back from where we are and start following iqembu not abantu, because this thing eniyenzayo manje iyakhombisa ukuthi now you are following people la ku-MK party. Iqembu takes a decision and you go against it, yet you know ukuthi la eqenjini there are no permanent position, and if ukuthi ukhombisa ukungahloniphi iqembu okanye someone omholi, and then you need to face consequences zaleyo nto osukuyenzile. And okunye okubalekile very very important, bathi abamthembi lokhu advocate Mkhwebane akasebenzeli MK party. How can you say that, guys? Advocate Mkhwebane yazi ukuthi selokho simlandela thina abanye selokho sino advocate Mkhwebane because we understood ukuthi she is for us and we are for her. You know, even though there are those people who are claiming ukuthi uadvocate Mkhwebane bekalwelwa yibo manje. No, we all fought for advocate Mkhwebane. We are behind her. If you can go back, you will find videos engawenza with regards to umama advocate Mkhwebane, even ulokhuzana ubaba John Hlophe. Same, you know. So you cannot then claim ukuthi you fought for advocate. Nah. But ke engifuna ukuveza la ukuthi idane ANC bahlangana and impeached ulokhuzana uadvocate Mkhwebane together. So and labo bantu basebenzela iStellenbosch. So if ukuthi uadvocate Mkhwebane is not working for MK party, is working for other people, who are those people? Because abantu bekumele ngabe uyabasebenzela if are against the MK party iStellenbosch mafia. But she is working for MK party, not labo bantu, because those people even made sure she does not get her graduate. Yeah, so why would she work for such people? Kuguti labo bantu bamncisha imali yakhe and labo bantu they impeached her. Like for me, like it doesn't make sense. So ngicela niphume kulomqondeni ufakwayo so that you will hate abantu abazojoin MK party abazosebenzela iqembu. Iyeke le nto, guys, please. Thank you.